Good morning. How y'all doing? Y'all see my little city? Well, actually not my city, but this is the city of Gulfport. This is how I'm opening y'all up. Oh, we headed out to Sam's, y'all. Like I said, it's still early in the morning. It's just hitting a little bit after 8. And yes, I can go. I'm able to go. I'm not lifting or picking up on nothing. And it's going to be a quick Sam's trip. We are going in and going out. All right, y'all. We in here. I got a few things. Jordan got the water already. It is so hard to try to record and sit in this little basket. Drive this little basket. But I wasn't walking because I'm already starting to ache a little bit. So this is helping. But we only got, and he had to get one more thing of ribs. That's going to be for the 4th. And they got some other meat that's coming. I got to get sandwich meat. I do need paper towels and toilet paper and all that. But I'm going to have Riri come one day when she get off work. I already had asked her about it, and she said yes, she will. Can you look on this side and see if they got the Nature's Own bread like we got last month over here? It'll be over here. It should be one of those down there. Whichever one we got last time, because I don't remember. Good morning. All right, how are y'all? Thank you. I'm just waiting to get better. That's why I said this is the... And I'm taking help and all of that. I promise I am. But it's just, like I said, I don't want everything to have to fall on Jordan. And right now, a lot of it is. They don't went up to $8.98 on these waters. And these waters used to be $4. No, I know. I didn't say that, look. I don't think he heard what I said. All right, go around there by the ham, and then we'll come back up. The sandwich meat. So I guess just get one of those. They don't went down to $9.48. That's not bad, considering. What? I don't care. Whichever one you get. They got, I don't know. They 7, 12, 7. Whichever you get, dear. As long as they eat it, because that'll be less cooking. They can have them some sandwich meat, and they'll be fine. How you doing this morning?
Life insurance.
You said we don't need lemonade and Kool-Aid? Oh, I was talking about those right there. Do we need those? Oh, I didn't know if they was full because I ain't been drinking it. That's why I asked. See, this is why I like that I record, because I ask questions. And if they say no, and then when we get home, and he be like, dang, they ain't got it. I say, well, I asked. Yeah, that's why I'm glad I record. Because if you don't record, it's no proof that you even had this conversation. I don't know what he's looking for.
You want 2 and 2?
No.
Huh? The regular lemonade up now.
I need 3 and 3. You know, everybody drink them. Everybody in the house drink those. And I'm trying to get y'all enough. And they what, $8.98?
$6.98.
Yeah, if y'all haven't tried those Twist sugar-free lemonades, y'all know we get them every month. And I gotta find Mama some ginger ale. So I'll get that from Walmart too. And I just got to get my fruit cups.
tuna out of here, bro.
Yeah, because it'll be cheaper to get the tuna. I gotta get the tuna in the fruit cups. And mixed fruit, and those are the, what, variety pack?
And strawberry flavored gel.
That's what?
Mandarin oranges and orange flavored gel, diced peaches and strawberry flavored gel. You on the fruit cocktails?
Babe, get that one, because Riri, she'll take the mandarin to work. And then, let me see about the spaghetti sauce. If it's cheaper to get it from here. The what? All right, $8.98 for some spaghetti sauce. All right, come get that, babe. What are noodles? Did I pass them? Dang, I passed the noodles up. I don't usually get ragu, but it's gonna work. Babe, I'm finna turn around. What they got? How much are those? $8? For, yeah, that work. Cause I can make my. Oh, they got Alfredo sauce too. Oh yeah, give me a thing of Alfredo sauce, please. So this cheaper. That's $7.38 for 3 of them. So that'll save some coins. When I do my Alfredo, I'll just make it with that spaghetti. The kids not gonna care. All right. Gotta go on Dixie real quick just to get a few items that I need for mama. Yeah, just a few things that I gotta get for my mama and my medicine because she needed it today. I get the $10 one. Yeah, the one that's $10. Cause the $11 one's got the oil in it. I get the one with oil sometime. I just drain it. It don't never bother me.
Yeah, but you can't drain out the oil. The oil is so thick.
It's okay because when you put that mayonnaise in it, it hit right. And you eat it and you like it, so.
No, I don't like it.
Child, you tear that tuna fish up. Jordan be funny. Man, you eat that tuna fish when I make it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do we need any crackers? Think they got crackers over there? If not, I'll just get a box out of Walmart. He be ready to go until it's time to eat. And then he be like, babe, we ain't got this. And I'm, oh well, come on. Come on, shawty. Hi, I'm going to be in here buying Pampers. Because I'm going to get my grandbaby Pampers out of here and buy them a bulk for her. I'm in bulk, so to live, you're listening, you're going to be getting some bulk Pampers from Sam. All right, good. Ain't nobody up here. Thank you, Lord. We can get. Told y'all we were going to get in and out of here. They got the 50 Classic for 18. Did you want to get those? Or y'all just going to get some tomorrow out of the store?
Ain't gonna last.
What's not going to last? Those not going to last or? We do got our little man at the house. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go to checkout. It's not that bad. Alright, y'all, we done made it out of here. They got all their stuff that they need out of here. Then tomorrow, so they'll go to Walmart and get the rest of their stuff, and they don't need a whole lot. We just did a good bit of like sandwich meat, and they can get some more stuff. And like a lot of stuff that they can pop in the air fryer and things like that, because nobody is trying to turn on stoves. We'll have like spaghetti, pasta, stuff like that would not take long, like chicken Alfredo, stuff like that. Anything that's not going to take long, or they can do, like I said, grilled cheese and ham sandwiches. They can make it special. So Because it's summertime. And like I said, nobody want to be having a stove on. It's already hot. It's been extremely hot here. So now I'm going to just watch Babe do his thing. Because I'm not going to get in the car and say he's done. If I can't help him by lifting, I'm going to sit here and support him.